Just like I showed you in the short where I saved you lots of money, I went ahead and purchased it. So you see, I don't just tell you guys deals, I buy them myself. So look at this. This is the Milwaukee 2356-20. There it is right there in all its glory. Guys, this thing has a giant light right here. It looks like a turtle. That's what it reminds me of. I could turn it this way. And now this has 3 settings on here. It has a 1400 lumens high-powered light that will last you about 5 hours with a 6.0 12-volt battery from Milwaukee, or 9 hours at the medium mode at 700 lumens, or 17 hours at the lowest setting at 350 lumens. Now that's with the 6.0 battery. If you go with the 4.0 XC 12-volt battery, you get some similar numbers. 4 hours at 1400 lumens at the highest setting, 7 hours at 700 lumens, and 12 hours at 350 lumens, which is the lowest setting. Now this thing is really cool. Now here you go. Let's see do I have the battery in there? I do. Check it out. I have the battery right in there. That's what it looks like. I hope that's not too bright for the camera, but I love how it can just set up here and you'll be able to work from your pack out and be able to see what you're doing, especially in dark places. Now I like this because I won't have to carry my big old Milwaukee lights for places that I'm not sure I need a light. Sometimes I need it, sometimes I don't. And I just need something to carry with me. So this is gonna have multiple uses. Here's the power button, and it tells you how fully or not fully charged your battery is by those LEDs. There you go. Now, the mode right here is what controls your different light settings. You're gonna hit the power button, and as you can see, the light is shining. You hit the mode button right there, and it goes and cycles through high, medium, low. Now, this guy right here has another trick up its sleeve. It's got a drawer right there. And look at that drawer. Look at that drawer. Perfect to put your wallet and keys and different things. Now, my wife said, now you have a pack-out purse. She made fun of me, right? Because that's something that gets lost. Now, ask my buddy Jay Who about losing his keys at our latest side job. He lost his keys. He was going insane. He couldn't find them. This would sit on top of my pack-out system, put my keys, my wallet right in here, or some special need things right here, and there you go. We've got a USB-C, if you could see right there, USB-C and a USB-A right there, so that you can use to connect to. Hit this button right there. As you can see, it turns on, and it begins charging your phone or any equipment that you need to charge up. Now, this wouldn't be a good video unless I took you for a deep close-up of the USB-C and the USB-A charging ports with the button that turns on and off the charging ports. Now, don't mind that little piece of dust on the side. I don't know where that little garbage came from. Don't judge me for it. Oh, and I know, one of you guys out there is going to come up with the comment, why didn't you show it connect to the pack-out system because it's part of the pack-out system? Well, here you go. This portion of the video is for you, okay? Deal with it. Do you hear me? Deal with it. I showed it. Get off my case. Watch the rest of the video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. And leave some comments, will ya? You know what to do. Just do it. Now over here, locked in, I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And that's where you put your battery in. Look at that. And you unclip it from right there. Easier done if I do it from it sitting right there, right? Hold on. There you go, just like that. And then you can just slide it in. Now, I have noticed something interesting about this unit. When you slide it in, you really need to give it a good pop for it to kick in. And now you can just go ahead and close it down, lock it up. Now your battery's locked. Not only do you have a spare battery in case you don't need to use your light, but you have the battery in there for your light. There you guys go. I hope this helps you make up your mind if you need this or not. I needed it. I wanted it. I love my PACKOUT system. I hope you love it as much as I do. This is Ed, the old tech guy, telling you I love you, and I'm signing off.